Hello everybody. Kapag po tayo nagre-register as hazardous waste generator dito po sa Hazardous Waste Management System, isa sa mga requirements po nito ay ang pag-submit po ng copy of valid discharge permit. Pero may mga pagkakataon na based on applicable rules and regulations na exempted tayo for discharge permit. Pero pagka magre-register as a hazardous waste generator, tayo ay naglalagay pa din ng equivalent document dito sa requirement na copy of valid discharge permit. Dito pumapasok yung tinatawag natin na certification of interconnection. Itong certification na ito, applicable ito doon sa mga locator sa loob ng industrial park, yung kanilang facility ay nakakonect sa centralized wastewater treatment plant. So nagsacertify ang owner or operator ng industrial park sa mga locator na nakakonect sa kanilang centralized treatment plant na magagamit yung certification na yon as equivalent document sa valid discharge permit. Applicable din ito sa mga mall tenant o sa mga tenant or lessee ng mga commercial space na by applicable rules and regulations na i-exempt for discharge permit. So, paano ba magkaroon ng certification? Siyempre, magre-request tayo sa owner or sa lessor or sa operator ng industrial park o ng commercial building o ng mall at dapat makita yung accountability doon sa wastewater to be discharged kung sino. So dito, let's do this certificate of interconnection. Maglagay tayo, for example, ng company o isang owner or operator or lessor. For example, ABC Company Inc. Date, December 12, 2024. And then address natin to sa EMB Regional Director. For example, Honorable Robert Angelo Metin. Siya ang Regional Director ng EMB Region 4A at yung kanyang office. PITX Tower 2, Barangay Tambo, Parañaque. Subject Certification of Interconnection. Dear Director Metin, warm greetings. This is to certify that na nagsasalita dito yung owner or operator ng building, ng mall or ng industrial park or yung admin. So lagay natin dito ABC Company Inc. is a tenant or lessee of kung ano pong building po yan. For example, GKK Building. Operated by kung sino nga po ang owner, operator, or lessor. For example, XYZ Corporation. This further certifies that yung lessee or tenant, ABC Company Inc. is connected to the building drainage and will be discharging their wastewater effluent into the, for example, kung ano available treatment facility ng building o ng industrial park. So, for example, septic tank owned or maintained by yung lessor or yung operator. So for example, XYZ Corporation. So dito pa lang makikita kung sino yung accountable sa ating mga effluent. This certification is being issued to kung sino man po ang nag-request. Typical yung PCO, for example, Mr. De La Cruz. Yan, PCO of ABC Company Inc. As one of the requirements for the application of hazardous waste generators ID number to DNR EMB Regional Office. We trust that this certificate fulfills the requirements of DNR EMB Regional Office. Sincerely, kung sino po ang authorized signatory ng lessor or ng owner or operator. So for example, Mr. Peter S. Pan, siya ang president of XYZ Corporation, then date signed, December 12, 2024. So, pirmahan lang ito and itong duly signed na certification, magagamit na natin ito as equivalent document for valid discharge permit as requirement for registration as a hazardous waste generator. So, I hope may natutunan kayo doon sa paano mag-prepare or magkaroon ng Certificate of Interconnection as equivalent document for valid discharge permit for the purpose of registration as a hazardous waste generator. Maraming salamat for watching this video at mabuhay po tayong lahat.